Oh, we have a surprise for Faves. Show Faves what's going on. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new day in JA. It's a brand new day in Nice, France. It's a brand new day in... What do you say? Don't stand up there.
Wagwan, wagwan. You see why? You know I say wagwan 2 times?
Why?
Because yesterday I didn't talk to Fee.
We didn't vlog yesterday. You guys, it's a brand new day and I'm all dressed to go drop my boy to school. Right now I'm heading out in this cold, and then I get back because of course I'm in my workout attire, so I'm jumping right into workout when I get back. I made green juice, sent babe off to work. No, I didn't send babe off to work. Babe left for work. Now I'm gonna drop Tyler to school, and Sarah is around here somewhere playing. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. I'm just coming on to intro this vlog. Stay blessed, stay loved, stay motivated. Love you guys. Let's get this day going, shall we? Time management is the key to accomplish everything that you want to accomplish in the day. Keep on track on what's most important and you'll accomplish a lot throughout your day. Anything else you want to say to Faith before you go to school?
Yes.
What? Talk fast.
I have a new book of the library.
You guys are gone for Tyler. You guys can stay with Tyler until I get back. That's all you want to tell her?
And also, I'm going to school with a drawing. Look at my mask. Avengers. I'm going to put it on. Look at me now.
Look at me now. Look at us now. Say cuckoo.
Waggy.
Say cuckoo.
Waggy, waggy, waggy. Sarah, waggy. Waggy's there. Sarah. Honey,
say hi.
Say to
hi.
Papa.
Oh, yeah. You guys didn't get high, but you get bye-bye and kiss. Oh, there goes our alarm clock to get out of here. Yeah. Anyway, you guys, get my alarm tie. Follow the sound. Sarah stroller. So I am heading out right now to drop him to school. Swipe it, swipe it.
No. It's a wake up.
You say wake up?
Yes.
That's what it says, sure?
Yes.
Give me Sarah's shoes.
Every time it go now.
It should say go. It shouldn't say wake up. Shoes, shoes, shoes,
Every
shoes.
time it's a wake up.
Sarah. Okay, Ty, go get your jacket. Jacket. So we can go. Shoes. Good girl. Shoes. Head. She's singing as early as the morning. She's singing. Hat. Bonnet. Hey. In the chair we go. Bag. You want it? Stop. Put your bag on your back. exactly see. Put your bag on properly. That's good. Alright.
Nina. What are you doing that?
Something on her mouth to wipe off. Like. Wipe.
I'm gonna open the door. I'm gonna open the door. I'm gonna open the door. I'm gonna open the door.
Tell the face bye-bye.
Let's talk some amigos.
Get the key, please.
I got some amigos. Your keys are here. Oops.
You get the keys?
I get the keys.
You guys, remember I told you that I have a problem with my hand in the cold, so I have to be wearing gloves in the morning. Yes, these ones work, so that's good. Ready?
Yes.
Key in the door.
Is this one or this circle?
No, it's the one that you have. Hurry. Push in. Push it all the way, then turn it. Turn. Pull down. Right. Good job. No, I'll do that part. You guys, oh my gosh. You guys, my day has been busy working on the computer, so you can't even see you guys properly because I've been in front of the screen. I did my workout. Workout was good this morning. Workout was very good this morning. I got 50 minutes in, so that's good. I look after Sarah, give her lunch. Now I need to go and change her clothes, make her fresh for the rest of today, and I am warming my lunch. So while my lunch warming, I am going to go get my girl fresh and clean for today. Okay, hopefully you guys are just doing good. Hopefully you guys are staying safe. Hopefully you guys are blessed. It's very wet and soppy here today. It's been raining since last night. It just eased up just in time for me to bring Tyler to school without umbrella, and it's pouring now right now outside. So if it's raining where you are, make sure you guys are staying dry. Yeah, so I'm gonna go get my girl. Sarah, come. She's running. Come here. Come to mama. Look who is home.
Tyler, and my sister already fell out.
Oh, we have a surprise for Faves. Show Faves what's going on. Show Faves. Look at Look at Somebody teeth is gone. Sarah, brother teeth gone. Look at me. Ty. Tell her she want a piece. Sarah said please, 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 please. He's so excited that one of his tooth fell out. Please, 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 please. Uh-oh. She said, ah. Ah. How was your day? Good. Why you and Sarah love to play on the floor? You love to wind up on the floor? You have to clean the floor. The floor already clean. You're too funny. You had a good day at school? Stop shaking your head. Answer me. You had a good day at school?
Yes.
Yes, Mama.
Yes, Mama.
Look at
Yes,
Sarah.
because it's Steve, not you.
Yes, but it's me talking to you.
Oh.
I say yes, Faves.
Yes, Steve.
Uh-oh, sorry, it finished. She wants you to play with her. She can't say tie-tie, you guys. She can't say tie-tie. I want you to hear her say, Sarah, who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Tie-tie? Tie-tie? Look at her. Sarah said tie-tie. Sweet, she waiting until her chocolate milk. Tie-tie? Sarah. Tie-tie. She loves it. Tie-tie. She wants some tie. Sarah said, please.
No.
Sarah can't squeeze it. Push up the straw in the ear so she can get it. Give her now. Mmm. Watch her face.
I'm squeezing like that she can have some.
You don't have to squeeze it. She can suck it. She see you guys, so she's not dancing. Please? Please? Please, please, please. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Oh.
She's not getting any. Push on the straw. Good job, Ty. You're sharing very good. Oops. Take time, Mama. No. You're as sweet as big brother, you know that?
Yes. Sarah. Chocolate milk. Yay. Chocolate milk. Yes. Good B.
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 B. K. K. A is for A. S is for Sarah. She don't want any more. Finish it. You guys, it's Friday, so I ain't cooking nothing. So, there's gonna be some pizza in the oven, and then whatever is in the fridge warm up. But I ain't cooking. Put this in the oven. How do you feel losing a tooth?
Good.
You feel good?
Yes.
He says he's going to sleep early tonight. Why you say you're going to sleep early tonight? Come, I'm speaking to you.
Because I really want my teeth power.
You want to what?
I really want my the tooth fairy to come.
Oh, the tooth fairy to come.
Yes.
Look at you. Give me that. Give me. Let me see. Look. Not so. Let me see properly. Yes. You jealous? Lord have mercy. She jealous. Watch her. Oh Jesus. She a push with Tyler. Sarah, no. Sarah. Tyler, don't do that. Don't do that. You're gonna fall. No, she's gonna pull down the camera and get down off me. Get down. This place she want to come play with her. You stay there. This place she want to tell her to come play with her. That's why she was pushing him.
Sarah, let's play Kiki.
Tyler, take time.
Oh yeah. Do the leader.
Oh. Tyler, don't put too much pressure in her stomach. That's stupidity here. She want to get up there.
Sarah.
She said up.
No, she said apple.
Oh, I thought she said up.
Apple? Apple? No, poo, 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 poo.
Tell let her get up.
Sarah, poo, poo. Sarah, go to the table.
She caca?
No, I'm just joking when they say that. I'm just playing.
Okay.
Sarah, go to the table. You poo poo.
Tell brother, no.
Sarah, go to the table. You
no,
poo poo.
Tell him
You
no.
poo poo. You poo poo. You poo poo. And the battery's almost dying.
Yes, I can see that.
Hello. My teeth fall down.
Sarah singing.
A,
B, C, D. But he's going to bed with their tooth.
Mama.
So why you don't take it off the paper towel? Take it off the paper towel.
No.
Let it stay on it?
Yes.
Okay, so you have to wrap it up in it then.
Yes, you have to wrap it in.
Wrap it in it.
No, so how's the tooth fairy would
No, she
see?
will
Yeah,
take the
she'll
paper.
know that's
She will
where it
take the
is.
paper. She will know that's where it is.
So where are you gonna put it? Because you don't want it to lost. Which pillow you gonna put it under? Okay,
The big one.
put it. You can't move it.
Can move it.
Put this one here.
I'm so excited to see what she's going to give me as the play.
Maybe
Alright.
you're gonna have a little fish.
Maybe that's what she's gonna leave you. You're too funny.
See you guys in this special vlog for tomorrow.
Oh, there's a special vlog for tomorrow?
Yes.
What that vlog is gonna be about?
Like that, she can see what I had like gift.
What, the fear leave you? Alright, go to bed.
Can you
But you cannot check the pillow until morning. You cannot wake up in the night and check under the pillow. Okay? That's cheating.
I know.
So you can't check it until morning.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye bye.
You're too sweet. Love you.
I love you too.
You have cash?
No.
You better make sure you have money to put under the man pillow. That's what I tell you. You better make sure you have money to put under the pillow. I think me have some cash in my purse. Ella gone to bed and Sarah gone to bed. And baby's here eating grapes. You see how Sarah eat up the grape and leave the stick up there?
They're getting old, I mean, they're not as sweet.
No, it's some of them fresh and some of them sweet, I realize.
Okay.
So it's not old, getting old. Come, let's end the vlog now, because if I don't end it, even though this battery gonna die on me. Come, Fibs, haven't seen you all day.
They see me now. You have a life.
And I don't? You're full of shit like crab. Fibs, haven't seen you all day.
Yes.
Speak, the battery gonna die, babe.
I'm okay, I'm back to work.
You need a haircut, honey.
Yeah, I was about to say it, I need a haircut of the weekend.
Barber shop closed, Baba lock.
Yeah.
Baba lock.
I
But
can
give
see
me no
already.
keys.
No, that have been a...
Give me keys, give me, because when you're corona, we never get none. Give me.
No, anyway, guys, I'm back to work. Well, I'm back to work. It's first time since 2021. First time of the year. All over the place. And you know, that's the main difference for me between working from home and working in the office or working outside or wherever I work is waking up in the morning. I mean, to start at 9, when I'm at home, I wake up at 8:40, 8:45.
And go to the office in your pajamas.
Yeah, I go in the office in the pyjama and I take breakfast while I'm working. So when I'm going in the office, I have to
Wake
I
up
have
at
to
7.
wake up, get breakfast, get ready, get all of these things. Then the time to go, oh, I lost 2 hours. And I'm tired.
You lost 2 hours of sleep.
Yeah, now I'm tired. It's the end of the week.
And worse, your body
to
get used to
adjust.
being home for the 2 weeks of quarantine.
Anyway, guys, tomorrow is the weekend and hopefully we can do some stuff. We're not going to go all over the place with everybody. We just
Need to get out of the house for 10
going
minutes
out
to
of the
breathe.
house, doing little things, and yeah, I'm sure you all want to know what we can do. And for Tyler, what's gonna happen with Tyler?
Alright, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the Bam Catch Man Keep Up, and we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.
Oh, and happy birthday to one of our wonderful subscribers, Sarah. Hopefully you have an amazing day, girl. Love you and thanks for always watching. See you guys tomorrow.